How can a pill with no active medicine sometimes make people feel better? That puzzle is the placebo effect, and it feels mysterious because nothing chemical changes, yet real symptoms do. The key is expectation. The brain is constantly predicting what will happen next. When relief is expected, the brain can dial down signals like pain. Belief deepens that response. If your body has learned that pills usually help, the ritual itself can trigger change. A clinic, a white coat, calm explanations, and trust between doctor and patient can lower stress and reshape perception. This is not fake healing. The placebo effect produces real mind-body responses, especially for experiences like pain, fatigue, or nausea, but it does not cure disease or replace treatment. The color, size, and presentation of a pill can change how powerful people expect it to be. The placebo effect is mysterious because it shows that belief does not replace medicine, but it can change how the body experiences reality. So next time, how should medicine use it?